Hi, all. Welcome to Om Shitara. Sometimes we feel exploited. Sometimes we see others getting exploited or abused, and they're probably not even aware of it. Sometimes love is so blinding, like it blinds your eye, and you don't know you're getting exploited. And for people from outside the relationship, when they're out of the box, when they're out of the relationship, they'll realize, oh my God, I've been exploited so much. I didn't even realize I was doing that. I didn't even realize I did that. I didn't even realize they were taking so much advantage of me. In that case, you can chant this switch word, buffer God. So, a lot of times people use the children to get their work done. They feel exploited, they feel used. Sometimes there'll be a threat, they'll threaten indirectly, like a blackmail or something. And a lot of times people realize they're getting exploited, still they are pushed to a corner where they are compelled to do some stuff which they are not interested in doing it, but they feel, oh, if I don't do this they're going to hurt me, if I don't do this they're going to show it in anger. What do I do at that moment? Or if they don't help me, these, I've seen so many examples. Only known people exploit their own people. Either it could be a relative or a close friend or your own sibling or your bestest friend. Those are the ones who will exploit your children, exploit you. So if you realize that somebody is exploiting you or being used, or you feel like you're being used, you can chant this mantra. If you want to chant for others, and if usually when you're out of any relationship, you see a couple, and then person is exploiting the other one, the person is using the other person. But then if you go and tell, they won't accept it. They'll be in a refusal of acceptance. So in that case, you can think of that person in your mind who's getting exploited, and then chant this switch word so that they'll come out of that situation quicker. It'll rearrange, or it'll make them realize, no, no, this person is not right for me. Maybe I should, step back and think over everything. So this is a wonderful switch word which everyone need to realize where they stand in the relationship. Buffer God.